Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hey guys, I'm back in the kitchen with another video for you guys. So, when you're ready, let's jump right into it. Ackee and Saltfish is on the menu for today. First step, let's pour a little oil in the pot. All the way out. Boom, we're done. We're gonna allow that to get hot and put our vegetables in. But as you know, me no wait for the oil to get hot. Oh, what I'm using some scallion, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, tomato, and garlic, of course. We're just gonna cook this until it's translucent. Stove on low, so you'll be in control. This is the codfish, saltfish. I'm gonna go ahead and add our saltfish. And remember to get rid of the salt from the saltfish. We just boil it a few times prior to adding it to the pot right here. And just combine that and allow it to cook. Everybody cook differently, but normally the concept remains the same. Allow this to cook a little bit, and then we're gonna add our ackee. Maybe we can cover it to make it go and simmer down. Let's see what's popping up in here. When I'm on this side, my hand is always in the camera, so I always try to be on the other side. But here we have our ackee. I already prepared the ackee because the ackee is not the one in the can, you know. This is from Jamaica. So I'm gonna pour this out, and it gets soft easily. So I want to be able to do like Chef Garnet and flip it, but I don't know how to do that yet. So let me come on the other side, girl, and just fold it in gently, because we don't want the ackee to mash up. Lord, me don't know how to cover up. We don't want the ackee to mash up, so I'm just being very gentle. Turn that up a little, and we don't need nothing but some black pepper. This is mandatory. You know what I mean? Mandated. And look, it's that simple. Ackee and Saltfish. And then I'm just gonna cover that, turn the stove down, and allow it to simmer for like a minute and a half. Then I'll come back, plate your Ackee and Saltfish. Let's see what's happening here. Ooh, it looks delicious. If we start stirring this, everything will go mash up. So we have to be very gentle. But here we have it, our Ackee and Saltfish. Let's plate this and dig in. Food ready already over here, so yeah, no. And you can eat the Ackee and Saltfish with whatever you want to eat it with. I'm having mine with a piece of yam and a piece of rye plantain. Here's our finished product. Saltfish and ackee with a piece of yam and a piece of rye plantain. Very easy, very quick, very simple. Prep time is about 15 minutes, and cooking the ackee that not take more than 5-10 minutes. So it's a very quick meal. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, comment, and subscribe. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.
I made it in all the fake people hating, that's what it is. I'm just positive.